I've been standing as yet too long, watching others write their songs. Keep my heart behind like those scared to lose, so I stayed unsure. But now the sky is calling me, and I found strength to believe. It's my time to take my chances, step through fear and broken glances. No more waiting in the dark. I'm chasing dreams, I'm finding sparks. There's a war, hear my voice rise. I was born to touch the skies. I won't hide behind the line. It's my time. I've been quiet and oh so loud, fading slowly in the crowd. But I've learned to love the fall. Every scar I burned them all. Now I'm reaching past regret. I've got more to give, not die yet. It's my time to take my chances, sit through fear and broken glances. No more waiting in the dark. I'm chasing dreams, I'm finding spark. Let the world hear my voice rise. I was born to touch the skies. I won't hide behind the line. It's my time. Yes, I may cry, but I won't let this moment pass me by. I've waited long enough to try. Now watch me fly. Yeah. It's my time to take my chances, run through fire, break all senses. No more hiding from the light. I was